In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a burnout text effect in Canva. First, open up your design in Canva. This can be any size you like, but it usually works best on a simple background, so the effect really stands out. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side panel and click on the Elements tab. This is where you'll find all the graphics and shapes that we'll use to build the burnout effect. In the search bar inside Elements, type in Burnout Paper. Canva will show you a variety of burned paper graphics and textures. Take a moment to scroll through and choose one that has a clear burned edge and enough contrast to make your text pop. When you find one you like, click on it to add it to your canvas. You can resize and reposition it so it sits roughly in the center, or wherever you want your final text effect to appear. Next, we'll add our text. Go back to the left side and click on the text option. Then choose Add a Heading. This gives you a large text box that's easy to edit and style. With the heading selected, look at the toolbar above and turn on the uppercase option so that all your letters appear in capital form. Uppercase letters usually look bolder and more dramatic with this kind of burned effect. Now, type in the word or phrase you want to use. Keep it fairly short so it remains readable inside or around the burnout paper element. Once your text is in place, highlight it and open the font menu. In the font search field, type 210. From the results, select the font style you see there. This style is well suited for a strong, distressed look and works nicely with burned textures. After choosing the font, adjust your font size and spacing so the text lines up visually with the burnout paper graphic. You can drag the corners of the text box to scale it up or down and use the position tools to center it over or near the burned area. Take your time here, nudging things into place until they feel balanced. Finally, refine the overall look by adjusting the design elements on your canvas. You can tweak the size and angle of the burnout paper, reposition the text, and follow any on-screen prompts Canva provides, such as alignment guides or snapping tools. Once everything looks cohesive and readable, your burnout text effect is ready to use in your project.